The question number 8 is saying the volume of a cube is 729 centimeter cube. So volume equals to 729 centimeter cube. This is the volume of a cube. Find its surface area and the length of diagonal. Surface area is required and diagonal is required. So since it's a volume of cube, so we know that volume of cube equals to a cube. So we can write a cube equals to 729. This implies a will be equals to cube root of 729. Now how to find out the cube root of 729? We just have to do the prime factorization of 729. So 3, it's 24 times, and 3 3s are 9, then 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are 3, then 3 it's 27 times, then 3 9s are 27, and 3 3s are 9. So 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 times it is 3. So cube root of 729 will be writing here 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So here triplets will be forming because it's a cube root 3 here. So we'll make the triplet of 3. So from 3 3s, one of the 3 will come out, and from this another 3 3s we will one more 3 will come out. So it's 3 into 3, that is 9 centimeter. So we got the side A is equals to 9 centimeter. Now we have to find out the surface area. So surface area we know it's 6a square. So it's 6 into 9 square, that is 6 into 81. So 6 into 81, it's 486 centimeter square. And we also have to find out the length of the diagonal. So diagonal of cube is no root 3 into a. So root 3 into means into here a is 9, and root 3's value we should know it's 1.732 into 9, and if it is multiplied we will get 15.588 centimeter. So this is the solution of question number 8. Now the question number 9 is the length of the longest rod which can be kept inside a rectangular box is 17 centimeter. So if it is the length of the longest rod, then we have to understand the diagonal is given 17 centimeter. If the inner length and breadth of the box are 12 centimeter and 8 centimeter. So inner length is 12 centimeter and inner breadth is 8 centimeter. Then we have to find out the inner height. Height is asked here. So we have the formula of diagonal. Diagonal we know that it's root under L square plus B square plus H square. So this can also be written as square of diagonal. If the both the sides is squared, then the square root sign will be removed. So d square will be equals to L square plus B square plus H square. So d is here 17 square equals to L square means it's 12 square plus B square means it's 8 square plus H square. So now it's 17 square means 289 equals to 144 plus 8 is 64 plus H square. So we can find 289 equals to, it's 4 plus 4 8, it's 208 plus H square. So we can write H square is equals to 289 minus 208. So H square is equals to 81. So H is equals to root under 81, that is 9 centimeter. So height we will get 9 centimeter. Question number 10 is saying a closed rectangular box has inner dimensions 90 centimeter by 80 centimeter by 70 centimeter. That means length is 90 centimeter, breadth is 80 centimeter, and height is 70 centimeter. Calculate its capacity, means its volume has to be calculated, and the area of tin foil needed to line its inner surface. So this means the surface area is also has to be calculated. Area of tin foil needed to line its inner surface means whichever is the box is here, inside it the tin foiling has to be done. So we have to find out its total surface area. Now volume formula we know, it's length into breadth into height. So 90 into 80 into 70. So if it is multiplied, we'll get 504 000 centimeter cube. Another is surface area. Surface area is equals to 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. So it's 2 into length into breadth means it's 90 into 80 plus breadth into height means it's 80 into 70 plus height into length means it's 70 into 90. This means 2 into, it's 9 8s are 72, 7200 plus 8 7s are 56, so 5600, and 7 9s are 63, so it's 6300. Now we have to add all, and after adding we'll get it as 19100, and after multiplication we'll get it as 38200 centimeter square is the answer. Question number 11 is saying the internal measurements of a box are 20 centimeter long, 16 centimeter wide, and 24 centimeter high. How many 4 centimeter cubes could be put into the box? So here the dimension of box is given as 20 centimeter by 16 centimeter by 24 centimeter, and dimension of cube is given 4 centimeter. So here we have to place these cubes in this box. So how many cubes we can put? So therefore number of cubes can be put, it will be equals to volume of box divided by volume of each cube. So volume of box means we have to write it's 20 into 16 into 24 centimeter cube, and since it's a cube, so volume of each cube will be equals to 4 into 4 into 4. This is also centimeter cube. Now this will be cancelled. Now it's 4 5s are 20, 4 4s are 16, and 4 6s are 24. So it's 5 into 4 into 6, and this is equals to 120. So we can put 120 cubes in this box whose dimension is 20 centimeter by 16 centimeter by 24 centimeter. Question number 12 is saying the internal measurements of a box are 10 centimeter long, 8 centimeter wide, and 7 centimeter height. How many cubes of side 2 centimeter can be put into the box? So since the length is 10 centimeter, so along, and the size of the cube is each side it's 2 centimeter, so 10 is divisible by 2, and 10 by 2 is equals to 5. So we can put the cubes along the length. Breadth is also 8 centimeter. So along the breadth also, when the 2 centimeter side cubes will be placed, since it is divisible by 2, so we can put it along the breadth also. But the height is 7 centimeter. So 7 is not divisible by 5. For example, if the height of the box is here 7 centimeter, total is 7 centimeter here. So the first 2 centimeter, the one cube can be placed. The another 2 centimeter, another cube can be placed, and the third 2 centimeter, another 3 cubes can be put like this. But the remaining 1 centimeter will be left out. We cannot put any more cube in this remaining 1 centimeter because it will not fit. So that is why here number of cubes can be put will be equals to volume of box divided by volume of each cube. So here in volume of box, length is 10, breadth is 8, but height will not take 7 here because we can use only 6 centimeter height. So here we'll write 6 only instead of 7. And the dimension of the cube is given here 2 centimeter. So it's 2 into 2 into 2. The volume of each cube. Now if we cancel, it's 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8, and 2 3s are 6. So it's coming 5 into 4 into 3, that is 60. So 60 boxes, 60 cubes can be put in the box, and this is the answer.